Jazzy, what are you doing?
I'm about to get my piercing.
Oh my God. On what side?
I'm gonna go on the right side.
That's cute. Oh, right in the middle, huh? Ew. How exciting. All right, until we get inside of the room.
Head that way, stretch this way, flat on your back. And then you can come over here.
Ow.
You want to see or not?
I really want to see.
Then come over there.
Okay.
You won't see from here.
Okay, where am I going?
Come over here. Walk over here.
Okay.
There you go. Mirror down. Breathe. Uncross your legs. Stubbing your toe. Or maybe you've had a child.
Wait, keep talking to me so I can distract me. So I don't think about what you're doing. You say close my eyes.
You are gonna feel a tune. You are gonna feel the tiniest probe. You are gonna take a huge breath in and push it out. You are done. Breathe.
Yeah, it's beautiful, Jazz. Stay patient, Jazz. It's okay.
Wiggling your toes. Jewelry is in.
All right, baby. You look good, Mama.
Oh my God, it's finished.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just cleaning.
Oh, it looks so good.
All right, so no touching. Tiny spray morning and night. Okay, and sit up slowly.
You can sit up, Jazzy.
You're good.
All
Oh my
right.
God. No messing with that. Now running a washcloth across your face.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Being sweet when you can be. As long as you're not messing with it and you take care of it, you're gonna be fine.